Hi, welcome to the second 8-week fall semester of nutrition. I am your instructor, Stephanie Buelna. I am a master's prepared registered dietitian. I am also a lactation consultant. I'm licensed in Nebraska and Iowa. I've been teaching this course a little bit of on campus and a little bit online since 2011. I also have a full-time job as a dietitian. So this is a part-time job for me, but that does not mean that I am not available to you. I do check my phone, my emails, text messages daily. So you are welcome to communicate with me in any of those ways. I do have just a little bit of information to share with you though. The week the class starts, I will be in Australia on vacation. I guess that's the good thing about an online class is I could technically teach it from anywhere in the world as long as I have internet access, which I will. So I will be checking my email every day. If you have any questions that first week of class, the 22nd through the 28th, email would be the best way. I can communicate other ways, but that first week email would definitely be preferred. After that, it makes no difference to me. I do allow students to text me. I know some instructors don't. If you text me at 3 a.m, I'm not going to respond, but you're certainly welcome to. And I will respond to it when I can. All right, so I wanted to show you the course. It's arranged by week. So the first week, it tells you what you will need to do, and that is based on the syllabus. Everything in this class will be due by Sunday at 10 o'clock. So if you missed a quiz and you try to tell me, well, I didn't know it was due by Sunday at 10. No. Everything in my course is due that week, Sunday by 10. So make sure you get it in, as I do not accept late assignments. So everything should be posted for at least the first 2 weeks. The notes, the video lectures, so you will want to watch those, the quizzes that go along with them, a discussion board each week. Also, there is a question and answer section each week. There is where you would put any questions that you have for the course. So if you have a question about where do I submit my receipt of syllabus and you didn't see it on the webpage, you would post it here. You can post it anonymously, but then the whole class gets the benefit because there's probably other students that have the same question. If you submit your receipt of syllabus, you're actually going to put it in the Dropbox here. All right, so I'd like to go on to our syllabus review, which is actually posted on the introduction, but I have it pulled up down here. So again, my name is Stephanie Buelna. I am an adjunct instructor. I do not have an office on campus, but if you would like to meet with me in person, I can certainly make arrangements for that. There's all my contact information. The course description: nutrition is the study of basic nutrients and their relationship to health, which includes the digestion, absorption, and metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in the human body. Additional topics are dietary planning for all ages, dietary exchanges, and other health-related diets, physical fitness, stress management, and food habits involving ethnic groups. There's no college-level science background required. You will be using the Schiff book. Right now we are on the second edition of that. If you don't have Microsoft Office as a student, you can download that for free from the ROC portal. If you have questions about that, contact IT. The objectives for this course: to assess the role of nutrition in human health, describe the human anatomical and physiological processes as they relate to nutritional status and needs, compare the impact of age, growth, and normal development on nutritional requirements, assess nutritional health risks, and determine treatment strategies. Evaluate health promotion strategies and disease prevention theories across the lifespan. This is our syllabus. I expect you to look at your syllabus. This is our agreement. So if something was not posted in that summary or posted incorrectly, refer back to your syllabus because this is the agreement that we are making with each other. I agree to follow the syllabus, as do you. You should log on to class each week ready to learn. I do take attendance, so I log on each week, see that you have logged on at least once, and mark you as attended or not. So I can tell when students are logging on and what work they are doing. Students should print lecture notes prior to watching the lecture online. The assignments can be submitted in the Dropbox. When emailing me, please allow 24 hours for a response. Please be sure to include your first and last name in the email. Cheating of any form will not be tolerated and will result in a grade of 0 in the grade book. If special arrangements need to be made, it is a student's responsibility to let the instructor know in advance. If you have a disability, please contact Disability Services and they can send me an email with accommodations. Late assignments will not be accepted generally. There may be exceptions made for a death in the family or medical emergencies, and students may work ahead in my class. So I've posted, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks worth of material at least already up there for you to work on. You can call, text, or email me. My contact information is at the beginning of the syllabus. You will have 3 exams plus a final. The last one, is cumulative. And I actually just noticed a typo. There's only going to be 3 exams that are at 100 points, and the final is 200 points because it's cumulative. But I noticed that I wrote 4 and put 3 in parentheses. So sorry, I will get that corrected. Quizzes, those are on your ROC page, as are the exams. There's 11 of those, 1 for each unit. There's 11 units in your shift book. Late quizzes will not be accepted, but you can work with a classmate on the quiz. So that's neat. If you want to pair up with somebody in the class, they should take about 20 to 40 minutes to complete. With the quizzes, you can use your notes, you can use your books, you can use your friends. Just get those done. That's an easy way to learn the material and boost your grade. That's 330 points. You will be expected to participate in class discussions. Since we don't meet together in person, this is the only way to really make it seem somewhat like we're talking with each other. So the discussion board posts each week, 8 of those, so 40 points, and there may be some extra credit opportunities throughout the semester. So here's the total breakdown of points. Grading scale, A is 90 to 100, B 80 to 89, etc. If you have a problem with me and we can't resolve it, then this is the dean. You can contact her. Of course, I would encourage you to discuss it with me first. Since this is an online class will never be canceled, but if you have other classes on campus, you can sign up for the Reaver alerts. That will let you know if the campus has been closed. This is Information College Policy in Section 3. I will let you read through that on your own. And then this is the part you're going to want to keep super handy. This tells you when everything is due and what dates. So again, everything in my course is due by Sunday at 10. This first week, I expect you to read Unit 1, Unit 2, watch the lectures, complete quizzes on Unit 1 and Unit 2, submit your copy of your signed syllabus, and post to the discussion board by Sunday at 10. The next week, you will complete Unit 3 quiz, study for your exam, watch the Unit 3 lecture, and take your exam over Units 1 through 3, post to discussion board 2. Since this is an 8-week course and it's normally 16 weeks, you will have a lot crammed in to a very little time. So please make sure you stay on top of your work. There's a lot to do each week. Plan to spend several hours. That is all I have for you. If you have any questions, call, text, email, except for the first week. Email would be preferred. Have a great semester.